Welcome back to AI Path. This is video 5, the final part of our Cursor IDE series. We've covered what Cursor is, how to set it up, how to talk to your code, and how to teach it your style. Now let's unlock Power User Mode. Tips, tricks, and features that will make you 10 times faster. Let's go. Let's start with the 5 keyboard shortcuts every Cursor user should know. Think of these as your remote control buttons. You wouldn't watch TV without a remote, right? Number 1, Tab. When you're typing, Cursor suggests code. Just hit Tab to accept it. It's like autocomplete on your phone, but for code. Number 2, Control K. This opens inline edit. Select some code, press Control K, and tell the AI what to change. It edits right where you are. Number 3, Control L. This opens the chat panel. Ask any question about your code. Number 4, Control I. This opens the Composer, the big brain mode where AI can work across multiple files at once. And number 5, Control Shift Enter. This applies an AI edit to the entire file at once. 5 shortcuts. That's it. You're already faster. Next up, YOLO Mode. Yes, that's actually what it's called. Normally when the AI agent wants to run a terminal command, like installing a package or starting a server, it asks you for permission first. That's the safe way. But in YOLO mode, you flip a toggle and the agent just does it. No asking. It installs packages, runs tests, starts servers, all by itself. Think of it like this: normally the AI is a student driver asking you before every turn. In YOLO mode, it's an experienced driver just getting you there. When should you use it? Personal projects, learning, prototyping? Absolutely. Production code or code you don't fully understand? Maybe keep the safety checks on. To enable it, go to Cursor Settings, then Features, and look for the YOLO mode toggle. Here's a game changer: background agents. Imagine you're working on the front end of your app. You open a second agent in the background and tell it, "Hey, write the unit tests for the back end." Now both of you are working at the same time. You on the front end, the agent on the tests. It's like having a teammate who never takes a coffee break. Background agents run in a cloud sandbox. They can read your code, write files, run commands, and even make multiple attempts if something fails. When they're done, you get a notification and can review the changes. This feature is available on the Ultra plan. But it's a real peek into the future of coding, you and your AI working in parallel. Remember MCP from our earlier series? The universal standard that lets AI connect to external tools? Well, Cursor supports MCP natively. That means you can connect Cursor to databases, GitHub, API services, and anything else that has an MCP server. Setting it up is simple. You create a file called mcp.json inside a .cursor folder in your project. Inside that file, you list the MCP servers you want to connect. For example, a GitHub server or a database server. Once connected, the AI can query your database, create GitHub issues, or call external APIs, all from inside Cursor. It's like giving Cursor hands to reach outside your code editor and interact with the real world. Here's a pro tip most people miss: you don't have to use the same AI model for everything. Cursor lets you use different models for different tasks. For tab autocomplete, Cursor uses its own fast model. It needs to be quick because you're typing and it needs to suggest code instantly. For chat and complex tasks, you can choose powerful models like Claude or GPT-4o. These are slower but much smarter. Think of it like a restaurant kitchen. You have the prep cook who works fast on simple tasks, and the head chef who handles the complex dishes. In Cursor Settings, you can pick your preferred model for chat and agent mode. The best strategy? Let Cursor use its fast model for autocomplete, and pick Claude or GPT-4 for the heavy thinking. Let's talk about pricing, because everyone asks. Cursor has 3 plans. Free, you get 2,000 code completions and 50 chat or agent requests per month. That's honestly a lot for casual use. Pro at $20 a month, unlimited tab completions, 500 chat and agent requests, and you can use premium models like Claude and GPT-4. This is the sweet spot for most developers. Ultra at $200 a month, 20 times the usage of Pro, plus background agents. This is for power users who live in Cursor all day. My honest take? Even the free tier is powerful. Start there. If you find yourself hitting the limits, the Pro plan is absolutely worth $20 a month. It pays for itself in the first hour. And that's a wrap on our entire Cursor series. Let's look at what you now know. In video 1, you learned what Cursor is and why it's different from a regular IDE. In video 2, you set it up and opened your first project. In video 3, you learned how to talk to your code using chat, inline edit, and agent mode. In video 4, you taught Cursor your coding style with rules and context. And today, in video 5, you unlocked power user tricks, shortcuts, YOLO mode, background agents, MCP, and multi-model strategy. You're ready. Go build something amazing. And if you enjoyed this series, subscribe and check out our other AI Path tutorials. See you in the next one.